This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving ownership. This protects you and others. Once done, gather the recovery email, phone number, or authentication app previously set for the Microsoft account. Make sure the device you often sign in from is nearby, because recovery systems look for familiar signals. If this is a school or company account, stop and contact your IT administrator. They can reset passwords or verify identity faster. These steps reduce friction later and avoid lockouts. Now, use the official recovery flow so you don't risk account security. Go to Microsoft's Sign in Help and select I forgot my password. Then enter your email and pick a verification contact. Once you receive a code, enter it and reset the password. This replaces the old one safely. If you suspect a saved credential on your own PC, use Windows Credential Manager while signed in, but only inspect credentials for accounts you own, because unauthorized access is illegal. Finish by signing into Outlook on each device and updating any app-specific passwords or mail client settings so sync continues. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and refresh recovery contacts to prevent repeats. If the reset flow fails, make sure you tried the same device and network you normally use. If that still fails, contact Microsoft support or your organization's IT team for identity verification help. That single troubleshooting step usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.